Hey folks, they tried, but they couldn't do it. Those thunderstorms couldn't break the cap, that warm air aloft that keeps things from going, and that ends up killing most of the thunderstorm threat for the valley tonight. You can see the line that forms. Watch it again. There it is, and there's a break. Then it starts up again here in Starr County. There it went. That went severe for a little while, produced some hail and some strong winds, and now all we've got left is one little dot there south of Rio Grande City, some more stuff down in Mexico. The question is, will anything be able to develop as the actual cool front pushes through? And I think there is the chance for a shower or a thunder shower, but I think the severe threat has gone away. So yes, there could be about a 30% chance of a shower or thunder shower, but again, the chance of anything going severe looks like it is pretty much faded away. There's the front. It's in Starr County now. It will push eastward. Future Track says rain tries to develop out ahead of it by midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, but notice it's mostly green, maybe a dot of yellow. So again, maybe some thunder and lightning, but not much, if any. And by 5 o'clock in the morning, everything is east of us, and it's over, and we have bright sunshine for tomorrow. So this looks like the event that not just for the valley, but for a lot of Texas just didn't happen. There was severe weather in a couple of places today, but nothing like what we thought. So now your threat of anything has gone off the chart on the low end. There's no damaging wind, no hail, no flooding rainfall, no tornadoes expected the rest of the night now. Should be quiet across the region. Again, when you look at the picture over South Texas, there's that line. To the north, there's been scattered stuff. And up in East Texas, there's still some heavy rain, some flood watches and warnings out to the south of Dallas, between Dallas and Houston. But back behind, not much. The upper level low sitting back here, that's going to lift to the northeast. So still, again, maybe as the front goes through, could be an overnight brief shower, thunder shower. But aside from that, we're dry. We'll be dry all day during the daytime tomorrow. We're dry on Friday and Saturday as well. Looks really nice, actually, with low humidity, warm during the day, cool at night. Looks pretty pleasant. Here's where we are right now. Everybody's in the 70s as we speak, and our lows tonight should drop into the 60s in most areas, the exception Brownsville on the island, and maybe 40% at best, 30 to 40. I think it's a mainly dry night, but again, maybe something could sneak through in one or two spots. Tomorrow, the wind's out of the northwest. We're back up close to 90, but with that northwest wind and bright sunshine, it's going to feel better. It'll feel less humid, so it should be pretty comfortable. Friday looks about the same. Saturday, not much different. The normal's 87, but we're going to stay above that. Rest of Texas, it has cooled off almost everywhere tonight. 63 Dallas, Austin 64. San Antonio at 59. They had rain earlier. And look how a lot of Texas did see rain today, but tonight not much left as it works its way out of the state along the front that will push through tonight and move on out. So that leaves us with sunshine for most of the next several days. Our next shot at rain we don't see all the way through the weekend into next week. We don't see much of a chance of rain at all now for a while. At the coast, here's what's happening. Still could be an isolated late night, early morning thunder shower, but nothing big. Operators of small craft urged to exercise caution. Risk of rip currents remains high. There are two tides, starting with a low at 1:33 in the morning. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast, still an isolated shower thunderstorm, but nothing severe, but you might hear some thunder overnight. Then tomorrow, decreasing clouds and less humid. 91 for a high, but with that northerly wind, humidity drops. Should feel pretty comfortable. Friday looks good as well. We start at 65 with a high of 91. Only 62 Saturday morning, a high of 90. And if you go beyond that, we stay about the same all the way through next week. A few more clouds and a little more humidity. We'll continue to keep an eye on radar tonight, but right now all is quiet. It may well just stay that way. That's your updated first 1-5 forecast.